Hi, this is Whiskey Bravo 2, Charlie Bravo Alpha, Barb. I'm testing another rig in my car. Lately I'm obsessed with portability and nothing is too small for me, so I want to build the smallest one whatsoever. So this is the rig I came up with. This is called TinyDX. So it's literally consists of 3 layers. So the first layer is the controller board, which has a sound card and a Atmega 328 processor. The second layer is this PCB RX module. So it has the tailor detector, etc. in it, and everything to receive RF. And the last one is the TX. Oh, sorry. The second one is the TX module. The last one is the RX module. So TX module is my classic design with a TTL chip, 74 ACT 244, and our infamous mini circuits transformer, etc. So it is a 2-band rig. So it has band B1 and B2. So you programmed these bands before. In this one, I have 20 meter and 10 meter. You select with this surface mount slide switch here, and it can work on, let me come a little bit closer, FT8 and FT4 in 2 modes. It has 2 LEDs. One is the audio. When the audio is active, it's flashing blue light, and this is the TX LED. This has no CAT control. It's very simple. My aim was to have the smallest rig whatsoever, doesn't need a power supply, and I can use with my phone. So there's no luxury as CAT or anything else, because if you add CAT, more parts, it becomes bigger. That's not desirable. This is a FTDI interface, so you can program it with this USB to TTL interface. It's dirt cheap in Amazon or in online anywhere, like $2-3. What else? That's it basically. So I use 6mm spacers, so I put everything on top of each other, and we have a top PCB, as this is my signature thing. I don't like, enclosures, so this is it. And at the bottom you have the similar one. You just turn it upside down and it becomes the bottom. So one PCB plate for both sides. Now, how do we use it? We use a USB cable here. Everything will be powered. Let me put it like that so that we can see the LEDs. So this is my phone. I'm using, oops, wait, so that I can get my Face ID. I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro Max, but any iPhone, iOS related phone or Android can be used. It doesn't matter. In my case, as I'm using iOS, I go to IFTx. IFTx is the FT8, FT4 actually WSJT of iPhone. So when we start, we immediately get all the calls that's coming through. As you can see, now it's going to in the listen mode in FT8 and 20 meters, connected to my vertical MFJ 20 meter hamstick antenna in the car. So when you want to start a QSO, let's start with this guy. You just click on it and it goes in reply mode. So you can see the red was red. The TX LED was red, and it starts. Let's see. Anything will happen in QSO department. We are transmitting another one. I like IFTx because it records everything in the phone, and then your ADIF log can be just emailed to your address, and from there you grab the file and put into QRZ or any of the log programs you are using. It's a very, very practical application. In Android, I tried with, what was it? I forgot the name anyway. FT8 TW, I guess, something like that. It works, no problem. But don't use CAT. Only the manual sound card version. It works on that too. So when it doesn't get enough replies, just stops and says that no reply or whatever. It tries, I think, 5 times, and then we go into listen mode again. So this is choosing your own QSO. I'll show you now the call. QSO part 2, call CQ. Let's do it one more time. Okay, let's go to listen again. So in listen, we are still listening stations. You can see how clear is the waterfall. Testing really works pretty good, and it has a very, very simple TinyDX detector QSD receiver in it. The TX output on 20 meter is 1 watt. 1 watt is more than enough for any SOTA, POTA or portable operation. I did almost 50 QSOs with this and with this phone, with my portable park antenna and this car antenna. It's a great rig for portability. Now I'm going to try call. When you press call, it transmits with your call sign. Next cycle, there you go. I chose CQ QRP. There are POTA, SOTA, QRP, or CQ in the settings in IFTx, so you can choose any one of them. I generally put QRP. Okay, we did the first transmission. Now we are listening. Ooh, someone heard us, I guess. Let's see what's going on here. I'm not sure we are going to complete this QSO. Let's give it one more try. Let's see. Let's see the rig. Yep, you can see the audio LED is flashing, which means that the audio is connected via USB. And here, he didn't hear us, so we have a timeout. So yeah, this is TinyDX. I'm writing, this will be an open source project, so anyone can build it. I'll put everything related to it in my GitHub site, WB2CBA GitHub. And I will write a blog in my usual Antrac Club station. I'm going to post it. And so, it might be an interesting rig for SOTA, POTA, or any portable operation. I'm kind of obsessed now portability, because I will have a couple of travels coming along now, and I don't want to carry too big of an item. So this, with an end-fed or half-wave dipole antenna and a USB cable, will be my station. So my phone is always with me, so there's no problem on that end. I don't count that I'm carrying a phone with me. It's always with me. So that's it. Thank you. This is Whiskey Bravo 2, Charlie Bravo Alpha.